Change is the end result of all true learning. Welcome again in Chemistry World. In previous online class, we have discussed about polydispersity index, vulcanization of rubber, and synthetic rubber. First of all, I want to say that you should watch all online classes regularly. In this video, firstly, we discuss about homework caution. Caution is why PDI mean polydispersity index of protein is equal to 1. Solution is for a protein molecule m bar W is equal to m bar N. So the value of PDI for a protein is equal to 1. Since we know that PDI is equal to m bar W by upon m bar N. So both are equal. Therefore PDI is equal to 1 for protein molecule. The structure of natural rubber and Gatta Parsha is so important for examination. So I repeat, by 1 for addition, of isoprene units, there are two isomers are obtained, cis and trans. Cis and trans. Natural rubber is cis isomer, while Gatta Parsha is trans isomer of isoprene units. The structure of these two are as follows. Firstly, we draw the structure of natural rubber. Here, CH2 groups are present at double bonded carbon in same direction. So, natural rubber is cis isomer, but in Gatta Parsha, these are totally trans. So, the structure of Gatta Parsha is above structure for natural rubber, or we can say that it is the structure of natural rubber, which is cis isomer of polyisoprene for Gatta Parsha. CH2 groups are present in this structure in opposite side. So, trans isomers of polyisoprene is known as Gatta Parsha. In types of synthetic rubber, second type of synthetic rubber is polyisobutylene, in short form PIB, polyisobutylene. Very important. we were reading in previous class about synthetic rubber, and we have discussed about first type of synthetic rubber, which is styrene butadiene rubber, SBR. Now, second type of synthetic rubber is polyisobutylene. We know that poly prefix is used in homopolymer, so it is a homopolymer of isobutylene. Isobutylene units. So it is prepared by homopolymerization of isobutylene units. So it is isobutylene molecule and units of isobutylene after homopolymerization converted into PIB. It is the chemical formula of PIB, which is synthetic rubber. Next point is usage of PIB. It is only polymer which can hold air for long time, mean impermeable to gas. So they are used in making inner structure of tires and basketball. Very, very important. Specialization of PIB, that it is only polymer which can be hold air for long time. So they are used in making inner structure of tires and basketball. Apart from this, it is also used in making adhesives. Very important. Generally, balloons made of simple rubber contract after some time because they are permeable to air. Now, next, third type of synthetic rubber is polybutylene. Polybutadiene. Similarly, it is a homopolymer of butadiene units, so prepared by addition polymerization of butadiene units. It is butadiene or 1,3-butadiene and units of 1,3-butadiene after homopolymerization converted into polybutadiene. Homopolymerization. It is the chemical formula of polybutadiene. Now next, usage. First is used in gaskets. Another one is used in some parts of vehicles. When rubber is required to use of very low temperature, this rubber is used. This is the specialization for polybutadiene. Now next, fourth type of synthetic rubber is polychloroprene. Or neoprene. very important. We know that isoprene is monomers of natural rubber, but here we read neoprene, which is a synthetic rubber. Very important. So not confused by isoprene and neoprene. Neoprene is formed by addition polymerization of chloroprene units. So an unit of chloroprene after addition polymerization converted into neoprene. It is neoprene. When one chlorine atom is attached after replacement of methyl group in isoprene, that isoprene is converted into chloroprene. Very important. Next, usage of polychloroprene. It is resistant and hard to organic solvent. It is used as insulator for making hoses, belts, gasket, printing roller, vehicle parts, etc. Now next, fifth synthetic rubber is nitrile rubber. Or Buna-N. NBR in short form, NBR, nitrile butadiene rubber. It is obtained by copolymerization of 1,3-butadiene and acrylonitrile. N stands for acrylonitrile and B stands for butadiene. So it is obtained by copolymerization of 1,3-butadiene and acrylonitrile in presence of sodium catalyst. It is the molecule of 1,3-butadiene and it is the molecule of acrylonitrile. When N units are polymerized in presence of sodium catalyst, then they converted into Buna-N. So the structure of Buna-N is here. CH2 group is attached to another unit here. So it is the structure of chemical formula of Buna-N. Bu stands for butadiene, N stands for nitrile or acrylonitrile, and Na for sodium catalyst. Next, usage of Buna-N. It is resistance to the action of petrol, lubricants, oil and organic solvents. It also has frictions, so it is used in fuel storage, tank, oil seals, gaskets and also in cables. Now next, sixth type of synthetic rubber is, and last, ABS rubber. Very important short form. ABS, acrylobutadiene styrene rubber. I repeat, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene rubber. It is obtained by copolymerization of 1,3-butadiene acrylonitrile and styrene monomer units. So it is 1,3-butadiene and it is acrylonitrile and it is styrene. After copolymerization, ABS rubber is obtained. So chemical formula of ABS rubber is as follows. Here 1,3-butadiene is in 20%, acrylonitrile is in 30% and styrene is in 50%. Next, usage of ABS. It is used in making of motor car body. Now we take some homework questions. Question is A homopolymer or copolymer? Next question for homework. Draw the structure of monomer for following polymers: PVC, PP and nylon 66. Next question for homework. Who does first vulcanization of rubber? Next question. Write the name and structural formula of monomer of natural rubber. Next question for homework. Give the name of substances used in vulcanization of rubber. And last question for homework. Write the name of monomer of neoprene. I hope you liked this video. Thanks.